with construction costs going up because of the oil crisis, wouldn't developers increase property prices instead of giving discounts? It seems like they might also be losing money right now.
What a wonderful question. So, you have two sides of developer, right? So, developer yang belum launch lagi, right? Belum launch and belum award the contract to the contractor. So, these guys memang sekarang ni tengah terkencing lah. Because all the contractors suddenly come back, they are quoting 10, 15, 20% higher compared to the quote 3 months ago ataupun 6 months ago ataupun 1 year ago. But developer yang dah launch, yang dah award the contract, they're safe. Sebab apa? Then it's up to the contractor, right, to go and manage the cost. But there's also gonna be a higher risk today lah, because now the probability the contractor tak buat duit, maybe even rugi to complete the project is higher. So that project might be delayed, might akan ada pertukaran contractor. But developer cannot change the price point. It's no longer your problem, you see. So orang yang paling beruntung adalah orang yang beli property yang dilancarkan sebelum tahun 2026. So either it's launched or siap before 2026, you're lucky. Because you get old price, right? Cheap oil punya old price, right? So we've been saying this juga.